guy who built this shed used a totally inadequate door lock. So what I did was I went to the shop and bought a regular lock for an inside door and used that. It works. I used the original handle, but the second part of the door handle is missing, so that's what I'm going to fix next. That's not very pretty. Yeah. Yeah, that should do. The fit is adequate. The hole turned out okay. It's hard to show on camera. There it is. There's the hole. Right there. The little spacer ring turned out okay. Maybe I need to clean up the bottom edges there. I'll just quickly clean that up with a knife. Okay, time for a test fit. So the same problem with the chamfer occurs here. So that's why I have utility knives. Notice the similarity. It was modeled after this original after all. So, test fit. Not very convincing. I'll do a bit more cleanup. Be right back. So after a bit of cleanup, it seems to fit quite nicely. So it's a tight fit, but if I really press down on it, it seems to go in all the way. So the nail should fit this hole. Then it should also run through this slot in the steel bar. But I think that's going to take the help of maybe a hammer or something. But first I'm going to put this into the door. So the spacer goes on first. That's a very nice fit. Very little play, and it seems to be working. And then lastly, the nail. Going to need some tools. That's not coming out. I'm calling that good. Nice. Done. Thanks for watching.